What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to add emojis to our SEO titles into your WordPress website for free. But before I can continue, let me show you. Have you ever tried to search for emojis on Google? For example, instead of typing pizza recipe, we're gonna search for the emoji of the pizza and recipe. And if you see, Google gonna shows you a lot of results because Google already know how to search for emojis, as you can see in the very first rich snippet right here. So adding emojis to your SEO title can give you more site rank, more traffic, more sponsor, more visibility on search engines. So it's really important, and you can apply emoji on your SEO titles very simply, okay? And into this video, you're gonna learn how to do this for free. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. I have no idea how much it helps us because I bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO plugin, optimizations, and many more topics not choose international sites favor. So let's get this started. Very first thing to do is go to our WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, hover a mouse over plugins, and click on Add New. Into the upper right corner of your screen, we're gonna be able to see the keyword and next search plugins, and we're gonna type all-in-one SEO, this guy right here. Click on install now. Click into the activate button. The plugin gonna redirect you to the welcome page if you do not have it installed previously, and the plugin gonna need to know more about your site, for example blog, business, store, the name, logo types, and some categories. Try to answer all of those questions, and no need to purchase the premium version or the pro version, okay? You can keep it all for free. After plugin installed, all you have to do is go to our posts. For example, this post right here on my blog. We're gonna load the post editor. So we're gonna copy the post title, for example, and right here into the very first part, the post title, we can delete all of the content right here. Place the post title, try to make it fit the maximum amount of words. For example, right here we have 53, and then we can apply some emojis. There is an emoji icon right here, so we can apply the post title, separated, site title, or emoji. And right here we're gonna search for an emoji that fits with our content. For example, if you are doing a mobile phone review, search for the mobile phone emoji. If you are doing a hero movie review, you can search for a hero emoji. Everything that correlates to your post can be considered a word. For example, if you are talking about some pizza recipe, search for pizza emoji. After this, all you have to do is update your post, and on Google search engines or other search engines, person's gonna be able to see your post title just like this into the search results page like this one. Simple, easy, effective, and for free. And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our Borders plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site for free. Or Enzo WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme that you can install on your site to customize it. Or Growth.net platform, a place where you can submit your site for receiving and publishing guest posts, all for free. And in the case that you want to go premium, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass, and unlock full access with our hundreds of pre-built websites library that you can import with a single click and start with a ready site from the beginning. And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you tomorrow. All the best!